It's a Monday, and you know what's on Monday. Usually over the weekend, I have just few minutes, so I write envelopes. You guys, these envelopes, each envelope I get paid $5 for writing 2 sentences on the inside. So we're gonna mail them out again, so you see this is actually a legit side hustle. This is why I show you every Monday dropping some envelopes in here, okay? So I have 15 envelopes in here, you guys, okay? Only 15. But 15 times 5, that's how much money I made. And this took me only like a little over 1 hour. Oh, they stuck in there. But you guys, I also got deposited money from the previous envelopes I sent out a couple of weeks ago, okay? So about 7 weeks ago, I sent out a batch and I got deposited 100 over something, 100. I'm gonna leave a picture right here. I forgot how much it was. It was over $100 on Sunday. So I actually got paid on Sunday for writing envelopes. Do you get paid on Sunday when you actually don't work? I was doing nothing on Sunday, okay? And as I was converting the money, because you get paid in sweep coins, you're writing for casinos, and casinos pay you in sweep coins. As I was converting it simply by playing game, again, I'm gonna put it right here, the game is just spinning to convert the money. I won over $100. So the over $100 they deposited to me, the $100 I get paid, turned into over $200 yesterday. So on Sunday, I made over $200 just by writing envelopes. You guys can win way more money than just $5 for each envelope. Don't sleep on the side hustle. You can do it when you have a spare time. When I'm cooking dinner, that's when I actually wrote 15 envelopes last night. I was cooking dinner. As I was waiting for my dinner, because my dinner was in the oven, as I was waiting, I was writing envelopes. You can literally do that here and there and make extra cash from home. You can make extra $3,000 or $5,000 a month just by writing envelopes. If you want to start this side hustle, the only thing you need is the ebook. One-time investment purchasing the ebook, which is $47 normally, but only today, you guys, if you watch this video, I'm gonna lower the price $10 less. So it's gonna be $37 today for an ebook. You can grab the ebook by going to my bio, clicking the link, and look for Writing Envelopes Formula. Only today, that ebook is $37. If you decide to start it tomorrow, that book is gonna be again back to its original price, which is $47. Once you get the ebook, all the details are inside the ebook. All the casinos you can write for, there's like 13 different casinos. I started for 1, then I started writing for 4. Now I'm back to 2 casinos only. It's fine, it's enough, it's plenty of money, and it's manageable. So I write for 2 casinos, but there's 13 casinos you can write for, and you can write as many envelopes you want. You decide. It's like, so if you need $5,000 a month, you do the math, and that's how many envelopes you have to write. So you do the math, and that's it. Everything is inside the ebook. So grab the ebook by visiting the link in my bio. And if you have any questions, leave the comment down there.